This first widget is from Viki. I use this to watch Korean and Japanese drama. They also offer dramas from other regions and movies as well. I like to keep it handy since it reminds me to finish watching dramas I've started. If you've watched any of my previous videos, then you know I'm a fan of Viki. I've had a subscription to their service for years now and I highly recommend it. I've started watching a lot of new dramas lately. I'm still on the first episode of Jinx at first. Last night I finished watching Shooting Stars. It was really fun to watch. I'm also watching Eve, which is a drama about revenge. I love Sujooji's character. I also started watching Why Her. The first and second episodes were really good. But now it has slowed down for me. I'm not sure if I'll finish it. Rudy the Virgin was also really fun to watch at first, but it's fallen off for me. My favorite genre is family drama. Just finished Marry Me Now. Let me know in the comments any family drama recommendations. I'm not sure what to watch next. Next I have the battery widget so I can keep track of my device's batteries. Below that I have the world clock widget. I've added Tokyo because it's my favorite city and Seoul to know when my Korean dramas air. I also have the New York time because I work in that time zone. Right below that I have this X panel widget from the app Top Widgets. This widget functions as a host for useful information in one place. To start off on the left we have the capacity widget. I've used up 82% of my 128 gigabytes of storage. Up here is the screen brightness widget. Mine is set at 100% right now. Below that I have the local weather. And below that I have the calendar widget to easily see the date. Up here I have the battery widget, but it doesn't seem to be syncing correctly, as the battery percentage is different from the default widget. Below that is the information of the owner. Here I have the digital clock and diagonally there is a classic clock. Below that is the model information of the iPad. Then there's this small widget with hello in different languages. Next to that is a cute picture widget that can be changed to different pictures. You can also customize the background and the border of the widget. I've also customized my app shortcut icons. Let me know if you like a tutorial. I made shortcuts to my most used apps like YouTube. I also made a folder for my most frequently used apps. Currently I'm playing Ni no Kuni. I love that it's cross-platform because that means I can play at any time. I also have a shortcut to GoodNotes in my planner. I recently posted a journal with me. Check it out please. On the second page I have useful widgets like MD Vinyl. This just gives it a cute aesthetic to your current music player. Also from ND, I have this super cute pixel clock widget. There's different themes available, but I like this one because you can change the icon. Below that I have this to-do widget to keep track of my tasks. I love that you can group tasks by category so it keeps me organized. You can also add due dates, which comes in handy for organization purposes. Below that I have this screen time widget. It helps me keep track of how long I've spent on my iPad for digital wellness. Next to that I have another Bears Countdown widget. This helps me keep track of important days like my boyfriend's birthday. Then up here I have this photo collage widget that is part of the Top Widgets app. They have a ton of frame selections you can choose from. Next to that I have this wellness checklist widget, also a part of Top Widgets, which helps me stay in track with healthy habits like drinking water. Below that, I just keep app shortcuts that I use regularly. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thank you!